Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mojito without any soda. We're going to focus on fresh ingredients and a simple technique to create a truly refreshing drink. This method emphasizes the natural zest of lime and the aromatic coolness of mint, delivering a pure, vibrant flavor profile. You'll discover how easy it is to craft a classic cocktail with a unique, still water twist, perfect for any occasion. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 2 ounces of quality white rum, and 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. For sweetness, prepare 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup, which is just equal parts sugar and water. These precise measurements ensure a perfectly balanced and flavorful mojito, highlighting the natural essence of each component without any artificial additions. Now let's get mixing. In a sturdy glass, gently muddle the mint leaves with the lime juice and simple syrup. Remember, a light touch is key. You want to release the mint's oils, not tear the leaves, which can cause bitterness. Next, pour in your 2 ounces of white rum. Fill the glass generously with crushed ice, then stir everything together thoroughly for about 20 to 30 seconds to chill and combine the flavors. For the final touch, top your mojito with a small splash of still water. This adds a touch of dilution without introducing carbonation, allowing the core flavors to shine. Garnish your beautiful creation with a fresh lime wedge and a vibrant mint sprig. This soda-free mojito offers a more concentrated and authentic taste experience, proving that sometimes less is truly more. Enjoy your perfectly crafted, refreshing drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.